There, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. If you, like me, sometimes use food as a drug, I'd like to tell you how you can use TAT to help you end that pattern. The thing that you can do is when you're feeling like, I have to have whatever the food is. I have to have it now. And you're noticing that you're just in a driven state. If you can, just take a moment or two to notice, what am I feeling right now? So maybe it's something like, life is too much, or I just have to zone out. I have to be kind of under it because this is overwhelming, or, oh my God, no, it's this again. Or I keep remembering whatever, my recent breakup, or I keep thinking about how sad I feel because of whatever, or how someone said something to me that just sticks inside and hurts me, and I just can't keep thinking about it. So whatever it is, or just I have to have that chocolate. That would be one of mine. Have to. Then you can also, what you can do, okay, is you can put into your TAT mix of things you're going to be healing now, your pot, the craving itself, and all the feelings that are with it, like we just said, like I'm lonely, life is too much, I can't stop thinking about whatever. So the mix of stuff, whatever you can stand to stop and wait a few seconds to notice, put in the pot and do TAT about it, because that will help extinguish the emotional drivers and also the physical cravings that drive you to eat and or overeat, whatever that thing is. So I would suggest you do the whole TAT process about whatever has got you in the grips of its influence, so that your actions can be more along the lines of what makes you feel healthy, alive, connected, love for yourself, those kind of feelings, instead of the, oh, I have to hold off and away the things that are driving me crazy or feeling like too much or making me sad or hurt, whatever. Okay, so thanks for listening and see you next time.